Okay, so we have a family of maybe 20 or 30 quails that are gathered and eating seeds that I have thrown in my backyard. The interesting part of this video is the way they fly when a hawk flies overhead. When the hawk comes, all of these birds explosively fly away together, and that's in the ending of this video, and I captured it slow motion so you could see frame by frame the awesome movement and their reaction. The frame is the camera was so high speed that you could see every single drain as it rolls. The seeds, every single seed as it rolls away from the sheer force of wind when these birds fly away. It's really interesting. Okay, right this minute they will fly.